Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ishowspeed back at again with another YouTube video. Today you guys are going to be learning be sure to check out my merch, SJC merch. Don't leave me hanging. All right, we got all sizes, adult sizes, small, medium, large, and kid sizes as well. So make sure you guys check it out. Link is going to be in the description. That's right, you're going to be learning the rat dance, guys. It's going to be very simple. 3 different sections to this dance. I'm going to break it down, get into it right away. Here we go. So the first move, you're going to go side to side. First, you're going to cross, and then open. Okay? Cross, and then open. And then as you're crossing, you're going to be alternating the legs, okay? So you can start with your left leg, you can start with your right leg, okay? Whatever leg is in the front, that's the direction you're going to be going, okay? So since I have this leg in the front, you're going to be going that way, okay? You're going to switch, cross, and open, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so doing that fast, it looks like this. All right, you're going to do that about 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
M's in my bank account, yeah, in my bank account.
Okay? Then, after that move, you're going to do a little kick. All right, I'm going to break that down. It might be a little hard at first, but you're going to start like this. Hop to one leg like that. The other one's going to kick out in the direction that you're going to next, okay? So you're going to hop on this left leg, kick, hop on the right leg, kick, left, kick, right, kick, okay? Everything is about 8 times, literally. So these are 3 separate movements, and you're going to do each of them 8 times, all right? So going back to the top. Cross, open, cross, open, cross, open. You can even have your hands in your pockets to look cool with it. After that, you're going to kick, and kick, and kick, and kick, and kick, kick. All right, you're going to do that 8 times, okay? Guys, if it's hard, pause the video, keep doing it until you got it, until you look like me doing it, okay? These are really, really easy movements. I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna get it in like 2 seconds anyway. So back to the top, here we go. Cross, open, do this 8 times. Really, really easy. Bop, 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 boom. And then you're gonna kick out, out, out. Also 8 times. 7, 8. After that, you're going to do a little spin, and then we're going to get to the last part, okay? So spin around, cross, spin. Now we're going to do this move. Very simple. This one might be the hardest move so far. I'm going to break it down for you guys, though. So basically, how you're going to start is you're gonna bring one of your feet out to the left, like that. So this is my left foot, right? You're going to go left, angle your heel out a little bit like that. The right foot is also going to be angled out as well, like this. So it's going to start like, and then once you put the foot down the front, they go opposite. Okay? So first it's out, and then it's in, okay? Look at my heels only, okay? Look at the heels. Out, in, okay? So first step, out, then you step forward, and then it's out again, back, and you're going to go back one more time as well, okay? So it's going to look like 1, 2, back, 2, front, 2, back, 2, front, okay? That one's going to be a little tricky, but the main thing to remember is that the heels are going in opposite directions after every step, okay? So opposite, when you step forward, they come in, okay? Kind of like a ballet position. I forgot if this is first or fifth. You gotta correct me in the comments below. I think this is 5th position though. Okay. So out, in, out, in, and you're gonna go back one more time, back 2 times, then forward 2 times, then back 2 times. So that's gonna be just like, that's like the move to wrap up the dance pretty much. So you just do the spin and now you're like, all right, we done. Hey, hey. All right, guys. That's pretty much like the whole thing. I'm gonna go back from the top for y'all real quick. We're gonna see if you guys got it. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys did it. Let me know what other tutorials you want me to make as well. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, that's the end of the dance tutorial. But yeah, appreciate y'all so much for watching this YouTube tutorial. If it was easy, drop a like. If it was hard, drop a like. If you got the dance, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click on that bell to excel so you're notified whenever I drop another banger. We coming at y'all with some heat this year. Stay tuned. We out. Peace.